So this port failed a little bit, and not totally. It was very easy to fix. Not easy. It was heavy to fix, but it was very fixable. Basically, it's very hard to judge how much concrete you need to pour on the sand. At the edges, you have a reference level. You can see how much you throw in, but in the middle, you just don't know. And my poor family was pulling the plank, and that was way too heavy. This is what it is. In the end, wasn't a disaster. It just took me one day more of heavy work to get it fixed. Let me go as fast as possible through the beginning, through the whole pour, and then you can see us all like stressed. And then later, you can see me how I fix it. So, I made here, how do you call it? Time lapse. As you see, there's already a small layer of concrete, so it really helps with moving the cement. I can now use a wheelbarrow and just keep dragging the plank slightly further and further. I chose a cold day, but at the end of the day it was really hot and sunny, and it was actually heavier than I expected. It was quite exhausting. The whole pile of sand was gone in the end. All the cement bags almost all gone. My energy level dropped seriously. This was it's not a one person job, but yeah, it was a nice challenge. And yeah, it's always good if you can fix your own mistakes.
Don't think you had the best shot? I am broken. I am knackered. How the British say, I guess. Man, that was a big pour. And the weather forecast said 12 degrees. It feels like 20, I don't know. Let's put you there, then you can see how I'm gonna make it all flat. Half broken. I'm not gonna move for like a week. I hope it's the last one actually. Let's see. Oh, the last bit. Tough. No, 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 no. you some context. So, if you did see earlier in the video, we ordered the concrete, but mostly my fault. I poured like 4 centimeters too much there, and then we had way too little here. Like when I pour it, I can pull 4 centimeters. It's not so much, not so hard. So it's for me easy to level. But if you buy concrete, it's like they throw it in 20 minutes, and it hardens quite quick. So yeah. So that floor is 4 centimeters higher now than the other rooms, but only on one side. So we probably have a little bit less insulation there. Like if I put there 6 centimeters and here 10, then we're level again roughly, because there will be next floor, so I can still level it out, so it's not a disaster. Let's do the end and then crawl into like some cave or something and then sleep. Whew. This was 24 square meters. Biggest pour, quite heavy. So, thanks for watching. In the process I had so many jokes, I forgot half of them again. Because man, I was busy. You know. My colleagues probably say, "Oh, he has such a nice holiday. Oh, so nice. I should go to a shrink or something. Who does this?" But okay, it's done. Thanks for watching. I think this is episode 21, 22, 20. 70% sure this is 21. So thanks for watching. Next one will be blocks. Those red ones. And in Polish we call them pustak. I don't know why they don't call it bloczki, but they call them pustak. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm gonna die. Maybe this is the last episode.